Last season, a baseball player had 123 more walks than he had home runs. If we add the number of times he walked to the number of times he hit a home run, the total would be 237. How many walks did the player have? From this problem, we have two unknowns that we can come up with. Walks, which we'll identify as W, and home runs, which we can call H. From that first sentence, we know that he had 123 more walks than he had home runs. So we'll say the number of walks could equal H plus 123, the number of home runs plus 123. From that sentence, that second sentence, we also know that if I added the number of home runs plus the number of walks, we get 237. From this, I have a system of equations which I can solve. In this case, I'm going to use substitution since I have W already solved for. To substitute that in, I'll rewrite the second one. H plus W equals 237. And inside that parentheses, I'm going to substitute, instead of W, H plus 123. There's my substitution. Now I can solve for H. H plus 123 equals 237. I can combine these to get 2H plus 123 equals 237. And I can subtract 123 from both sides so that I have 2H equals 114. Dividing both sides by 2, I find that the number of home runs, or H, equals 57. Well, that's great to know, except for if I look at the problem, it doesn't ask me how many home runs they had, but rather how many walks. But I can use this information then, and my first equation, to find that answer. W equals H plus 123. So the number of walks would equal 180. So the number of walks is 180.